In this video from Shop Stuff, we're going to demonstrate how to do your end of day till count using the Tellermate T-i X2000. So I've just got a standard cash drawer with all 8 UK coin types and all 4 note types. They're all polymer notes, and you'll see as I do the count they're a mixture of Queen Elizabeth II notes and the newer King Charles III notes. I'll be using my teller cup because I haven't got any bag coins. I'm just scooping the coins out of the cash drawer. So the first thing to do is to turn the unit on by pressing the on button, and you get the Tellermate branding load up, and then you should get the home screen appear, and option 1, which is highlighted, is caching up. So you press OK and it defaults to 1p. So you can see here caching up coins 1p GBP, and then the symbol here with the coins in a container means that you're loose counting or free counting the coins. You're not doing bagged coins. So the process is scoop out your pennies, pop them into the teller cup, make sure you've got them all in there, and then just simply place them on the top. So we've got, it shows you the number, so the quantity of coins counted, the value, and also then the running total at the bottom. When you're happy that you've done your 1p's, remove the teller cup. You can see it's automatically jumped onto the 2p's. So we repeat the process for the 2p's. Again, it's got the quantity, so 10, the value 20, and the running count total is now 44. When you remove the cup, it says added, so it's confirmed it's added those to the count, and then we jump to the 5p's. Repeat the process, 15 and 75p, 10p's, 20s, £50s, pounds, £2, now we're on to the notes. So to get to the notes, we just need to press the arrow button. So we jump to notes, £5 GBP, and we've got loose showing because that's how I want to count them. So we take our notes. What I'll do is I'll give them a quick fan through, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and count them so you know it's correct. So we've got 10 £5. So again, exactly the same. We've got the quantity of notes, the value, and then when we remove them, that's added to the total. £10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pop those on the top. Remove them, added. 20s. £200 with a King Charles on there, and if we've got a couple of the 50s, it's automatically jumped to 50s again. 2 of those, £100 total, added. When you're done with the count, you have got the total there, so 48229. Simply press end, and it will give you a count summary, so you can double check maybe for your banking slip. It's got the denomination, the quantity, and the value. You scroll down and look through those. And when you're happy, end again. Gives you the total, end again, and then you've got the option to do a next till, or if you've got a printer connected, to print the current report, or as I'm doing, end or home. So you press OK, and then you're back to the main cashing up screen. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. What I'll do, I'll post this as the main video of a series of Tellermate videos in a playlist, and I'll go into more detail in the other videos about the different settings, how you can change the way the machine works, so for counting bag coins and to not have the auto scroll on, and I'll also do videos dealing with error messages and just more detail about how to get the best out of the unit for your business. Okay, if you're looking to order a Tellermate machine, please check out shopstuff.co.uk where you can find all the products listed on the site. Thanks for watching.